It's super easy to add team members with AdsPower. If you're an admin or a manager, you can choose who joins your team. To get started, head to Billing and check if your subscription has enough seats for your team. To purchase more seats, click Change Package and specify how many additional seats you need. For example, I currently have 2 members in my team and I want 1 more, so I enter 3. Choose a payment method and click Pay. Next, we need to create a user group. Navigate to the Members tab and click Create a Group in the top left corner. Check the options to grant permissions to this group. You can also edit permissions after creating the group. To invite a team member, there are 2 ways you can do this. For a faster setup, just select Create Account. Assign the member to the target group you created earlier. Set the login email and password for this member. You can use a virtual email so the member won't receive verification emails or bind an authenticator. If needed, you can turn off 2-step verification in global settings so members can log in with just their username and password. Then, choose their access level. Each role has different permissions. The authorized group selects which groups this member can access. Once chosen, the member can view all profiles in these groups. The profile limit is optional. The number you enter here determines the total number of profiles this member can manage. Click OK and share the login information with your team member. You can also choose Invite via email and enter the member's email address. All other steps are the same as before. After completing the form, click OK. The member will get an invitation email. They can click Join Team and set a password, or use their existing AdsPower password if they already have an account. If the member does not join within 72 hours, the invitation will expire. You can resend the invite anytime and check the Members tab to see their current status. Go ahead and try it now in AdsPower.